Hey, what's going on? My name's John Erickson, ice hockey player here in Los Angeles, California. Grew up on the East Coast, skating since I was a kid. Played Division I college, Ivy League, all throughout high school, D1. And nowadays I play 3 nights a week down in Torrance, Palos Verdes, El Segundo at TSC. Fairly high level at this point. Favorite part about the game has got to be just being on the ice. It's cold, it's fast, it's tough. And I think, all throughout my career playing, I've never truly been injured, knock on wood. And that's because we wear the right protective equipment when we're practicing and when we're playing. I mean, for me, it's always been helmet, face mask, and mouth guard, obviously, to protect the pearly whites, but also the eyes, jaw. I've seen a lot of people get hit with pucks and sticks, falling down, the awkward, losing an edge, and you've got to be ready for anything out there. So it's vital to a fun time, but also being safe and being able to come back and play again. So full body, and I've got some footage of me skating around, having a good time. I think I'll be wearing a yellow helmet in these, so look for the guy in the yellow helmet. Cheers.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone